Hello everyone, so today we're going to be looking at Bing's new AI chat which utilizes the GPT-3 engine. So let's bring it up. It's through the Bing app on iOS. As you can see, you do have to request approval for it. I have been approved for it. It's not too difficult to actually get approved, but you can request it. It's not there by default. So let's bring it up by pressing the Bing icon. As you can see here, there are three modes for it. There's creative, which is more for like essays and text responses. Balance, which is a good blend of information and creativity, and more precise. That's like your fact checking, or if you want to know a recipe, or basically you're going to have more details there in terms of precision of information. So let's just stick with balance for the moment. And just to give some insight into how this technology of this chatbot works, it's basically using the GPT-3 engine, same as ChatGPT, but basically Microsoft refers to this technology as Prometheus, which is described as kind of being a combination of that GPT-3 engine as well as integrating Bing search and kind of indexing from Bing from the search engine and rankings and stuff like that. And that gives it the benefit of being able to provide information beyond 2021, which ChatGPT cannot do. Let's ask to write a specific poem, in this case about dating apps, and let's make it funny in the voice of Arnold Schwarzenegger. This is something as well where more creative would probably give you a few more inside references and jokes and things like that, but let's see what it outputs. Okay, as you can see, immediately outputs relevant. You can see there references to Arnold Schwarzenegger's roles like Hasta la Vista, Terminator, as well as obviously reference to dating apps. But yeah, pretty impressive, pretty good stuff. I'll just leave it on screen there so you can look. Now let's ask it something else. We'll just leave it here so you can have a quick look. Let's do something code-wise, program-wise, like for software engineers, that would be useful to be able to use. Maybe let's write a program in C++ that, let's say, plays a basic game of poker, for example. That'll be a good showcasing of, from a programming point of view, classes and variables and stuff of that nature. And as you can see here, it's got all the includes of different libraries. It's got a structure to represent the card, so it starts actually making functions of how to associate the cards, building classes. And yeah, I won't include the whole program here just because it's quite a bit, but I'll give you a quick scan through. But you can see, yeah, you've got a for loop there to iterate through the cards, which is great. It's built into a bool function to see if someone has a pair. Um, yeah, there's a lot of. Obviously, we'd have to test it to see how accurate it works, but it's definitely impressive stuff. Let's ask something else. Maybe what are some things that we could do on a day off, just for some idea generation? So it's searching the web now. It's searching Bing's indexes as well as just the search engine in general, and it's giving some general stuff that we could do, which is cool. Take advantage of outdoors, attend a class, spend some time with friends or family, exercise, good ideas. Let's ask if there are any good movies, for example, out at the moment. And let's see what is being output. Okay, so we've got some new movies coming out this year, but these movies don't appear to be actually out at the moment. So let's say I'd like to continue in a chat-like conversation and say that I wanted to see what's at the moment. Let's just input that. And now we can see movies that are currently in the theaters, and likewise with a little brief description, which is cool. Now, is this as good as ChatGPT? I mean, it's very similar. Some people will say that ChatGPT gives you a bit more detailed answers, but you can toggle between the more creative or the more precise and the balanced modes, which is good. You can get more up-to-date information, which is also good. There are also various shortcut actions, which I've seen like people posting on Reddit, different iOS or Apple shortcuts, which they've programmed using the API call from their OpenAI account to create like a little ChatGPT shortcut. I personally prefer something like this Bing AI function within the Bing app just because it's more native, more intuitive, in my opinion. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you'd like any similar videos done. Thank you.